Today I'll be making some vermicelli for my kids. This is how I make my own and the things that I use, but everyone makes their own different. So the main thing that you need to do is parch your vermicelli. And you parch your vermicelli by melting some butter and adding the vermicelli to that butter and frying it up. Now you want to fry it until it's like kind of golden but kind of burnt but not too burnt, like how to explain it. You want your vermicelli to be parched and for it to have different colors, like brown, a golden brown, kind of like a darker brown. You'll see at the end of it what I'm talking about. This is how you want your vermicelli to look when you're finished parching it, exactly like this. Now I'm just gonna add my 2 tins of evaporated milk. Adam is helping me make this vermicelli, so he's going to be adding half cup of sugar. Now you don't need to add this half cup of sugar if you're adding the condensed milk, but I love the taste of the condensed milk and sugar. It gives it that extra sweetness that me and my kids love. Now you're going to add 1 full cup of condensed milk. This is Adam again helping me because he wants it how he wants it. And he left back a little bit of the condensed milk in the can for him to eat. I don't get him wrong. You're gonna mix half cup of water with 2 tablespoons of custard powder and added the vermicelli. Now a lot of people don't add custard powder to their vermicelli, but I grew up seeing my mom add the custard powder to her vermicelli. Now again, a lot of people add spices to their vermicelli, but my kids do not like the spices in the vermicelli. If I put spice in the vermicelli, they're not going to eat it. But if you want to add a spice, you can put the spice to boil in a separate pot with water and then add it to the vermicelli where I added the custard powder mixture. Now at this point, my vermicelli is basically finished. So I'm just going to give it a little stir and then I'm going to add it the cherries and the raisins. You don't have to add the cherries and the raisins. Most of the time I don't add cherries and raisins, but I'm only doing it for this video so it can look nice. So I'm adding the vermicellis and the raisins at this point, and then I'm going to transfer it to my baking dish and let it rest for like about an hour. Most of the time I can't wait and I usually take some out and put it in a plate and eat it just like this. But we're going to transfer it to our baking dish right now and let it set. At this point my vermicelli is finished and I probably shouldn't have added so much raisins because I know my kids aren't going to eat it with all that raisins. But here's Zach eating it and he enjoyed every bite of it.